Welcome to the soothing cosmos, where the wonders of the universe unfold in calm and captivating detail. Here, we journey beyond our world, exploring the mysteries of space, the beauty of distant planets, and the secrets written in the stars. If you enjoy traveling through the cosmos with us, remember to subscribe and join our voyage across the universe. The controversy around Avi Loeb and ʻOumuamua. Science thrives on mystery. When something challenges the boundaries of established knowledge, scientists are pushed to ask bold questions, sometimes even uncomfortable ones. In 2017, the discovery of ʻOumuamua, the first known interstellar object to pass through our solar system, ignited exactly that kind of mystery. Its unusual shape, unexplained acceleration, and lack of a cometary tail left astronomers puzzled. But one scientist, Professor Avi Loeb of Harvard University, made a suggestion that shocked the scientific community and captured the imagination of the public. What if ʻOumuamua was not a natural object at all, but a piece of alien technology? This idea set off one of the most heated scientific debates of the 21st century, raising fundamental questions not only about ʻOumuamua itself but about how science should confront the unknown. Avi Loeb is an Israeli-American theoretical physicist and professor of astronomy at Harvard University. Before the ʻOumuamua controversy, Loeb was already well respected in the field, known for his work on black holes, the early universe, and the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. He has published hundreds of scientific papers, written popular science books, and served on committees advising NASA and the White House. In short, Loeb was a mainstream, established voice in astrophysics. Yet his career took a dramatic turn after he proposed that ʻOumuamua might be artificial. The suggestion, while intriguing to the public, caused many of his colleagues to push back sharply. To understand why Loeb's ideas stirred such controversy, we must revisit what made ʻOumuamua so strange in the first place. Its elongated or pancake-like shape had no parallel among known asteroids or comets. It accelerated away from the Sun in a way that could not be fully explained by gravity. It showed no visible signs of outgassing, unlike any comet. Its trajectory indicated it had traveled across interstellar space, making it a rare opportunity for study. These anomalies opened the door for speculation. Most astronomers proposed exotic natural explanations, perhaps outgassing too faint to detect, or an unusual fragment of nitrogen or hydrogen ice. But none of these theories were entirely satisfying. For Avi Loeb, the absence of a clear natural explanation meant it was worth considering an extraordinary one. In late 2018, Loeb and his colleague Shmuel Bialy published a paper suggesting that ʻOumuamua's unusual acceleration could be explained if it were a light sail, a thin, reflective object propelled by radiation pressure from the Sun. Such technology has been theorized by humans for interstellar travel, but no natural process was known to produce something similar. Loeb argued that perhaps ʻOumuamua was a piece of alien technology, either a probe sent deliberately, or more likely, debris from an ancient civilization. He expanded on this argument in his 2021 book Extraterrestrial, The First Sign of Intelligent Life Beyond Earth. The idea electrified the media and the public. Headlines around the world proclaimed that a Harvard professor believed an alien artifact had passed through the solar system. The suggestion reignited popular interest in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. But among many astronomers, the reaction was very different. The majority of the scientific community rejected Loeb's artificial hypothesis. The reasons were both scientific and cultural. Extraordinary claims, as the famous saying goes, extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. Most astronomers argued that the data available on ʻOumuamua was too limited to justify invoking alien technology. Natural explanations. Researchers proposed numerous natural scenarios, such as sublimation of hydrogen ice, nitrogen ice, or fractal dust. While each had weaknesses, they were considered more plausible than invoking intelligence. Timing of publication. Some scientists felt Loeb had rushed to the alien explanation without fully exploring other options. The pushback wasn't just disagreement, it was often harsh. Some colleagues accused Loeb of sensationalism, of undermining scientific credibility, and of using publicity to sell books rather than advancing astronomy. Avi Loeb, however, did not back down. He argued that dismissing the artificial hypothesis was itself unscientific. True science, he insisted, requires openness to all possibilities, especially when data does not fit established categories. Loeb often compared the situation to Galileo, who was ridiculed for challenging the belief that Earth was the center of the universe. He suggested that by refusing to even consider the alien explanation, scientists were behaving dogmatically rather than rationally. In interviews and public talks, Loeb framed the controversy as a battle between curiosity and conservatism in science. He maintained that the stakes were too high to ignore. Discovering evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence would be the most profound discovery in human history. In 2021, Loeb launched the Galileo Project, an initiative to systematically search for evidence of extraterrestrial technology using telescopes, sky surveys, and scientific instruments. Unlike traditional SETI, which listens for radio signals, the Galileo Project focuses on detecting physical objects, satellites, probes, or interstellar visitors like ʻOumuamua. The project has attracted funding, attention, and controversy. Some see it as a bold new frontier in astronomy. Others view it as chasing science fiction at the expense of more grounded research. But regardless of opinions, the Galileo Project represents Loeb's determination to push the boundaries of the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. The controversy surrounding Avi Loeb reflects more than just a disagreement about ʻOumuamua. It speaks to the broader relationship between science, imagination, and society. Public fascination, Loeb's claims captured the public imagination far more than technical papers about nitrogen ice. People are naturally drawn to the possibility of alien life. Scientific caution, astronomers, however, are wary of overpromising. The memory of past false alarms, such as the Martian canals or the "wow" signal, has made the community cautious about extraordinary claims. Philosophical divide. At its heart, the debate reveals a tension between scientific conservatism, demanding high levels of evidence before considering radical ideas, and scientific curiosity, which argues that bold hypotheses can open new paths of discovery. Years after ʻOumuamua's discovery, its true nature remains unknown. No telescope will ever observe it again. It has already left the solar system forever. That means the controversy can never be resolved with direct evidence. But Avi Loeb's arguments left a mark. They forced scientists and the public alike to confront an uncomfortable but exciting question: are we prepared to recognize evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence if it appears before us? Whether or not Loeb is correct about ʻOumuamua, his insistence on considering the possibility has shifted the conversation. It has encouraged a new generation of researchers to think more broadly about interstellar visitors and the potential for technological signatures in astronomy. The controversy around Avi Loeb and ʻOumuamua is not just about one object. It is about how science responds to the unknown. Was ʻOumuamua an alien artifact? Probably not, but we cannot say with certainty. Was Avi Loeb reckless in suggesting it? Some say yes. Others argue he was simply being courageous, willing to follow the evidence to a possibility most scientists would not dare speak aloud. In the end, ʻOumuamua has left us with mystery. Avi Loeb has left us with debate. Together, they remind us that science is not only about answers, but about questions that challenge our assumptions and expand our vision of what is possible. The truth about ʻOumuamua may never be known. But its legacy, and the controversy it sparked, will continue to shape the way humanity looks to the stars, and wonders if perhaps, one day, a messenger from afar might not just pass through, but speak to us.